Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to set up a Windows Sandbox on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I show you guys how to do it. Go to search menu and type 10 Windows. Comes up 10 Windows features on or off. Click on open it. In here you need to find Windows Sandbox. You just need to check mark this guys. After check marking it, select OK. And the installation will be startup guys. After the installation you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, go to search menu and type Windows Sandbox. Click on open it. The environment is loaded. It is now possible to run tests without risk your Windows installation. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.